Snipping Tool recording stopped. But why? Let's see together. If we try to record something on Windows 11, we see that recording stopped. For some reason, something happened and we don't know. So let's go to search for settings, and let's go on settings. From here, let's find display. Let's go to display. Let's write down recommended settings, and here search for graphics. And now here on the desktop app we have to choose Microsoft Store app, and we have to browse for the snipping tool. Let's find the snipping tool. Here it is. Okay, and now go to options. On the options, let's choose high performance, because the first one is what Windows decide. So now let's see, it should work like a charm. Okay, let's try it. Come on, start. Okay, 1 second. Should try again. Okay, it works. I don't know why Bandicam don't capture this part, but it's working. You can try it and it's working. I will try again to prove you. But let's go back on first option, save, and let's try, and we can see that it doesn't work. Okay, as you can see, record stopped. Okay, so let's remove. Let's find again the snipping tool. It's here. Okay, let's go to option. Now high performance, save, and let's try again, and it should work for sure. Okay, and it's working. I see. I know that you don't see, but it's working. You will see the saving option.